Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install movie applications to your Hisense smart TV. Please, if you find the video helpful, please make sure you like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you're looking to install movie applications, here's exactly what you should do. The first thing is to come over to the option that says App Store and launch it. Now once you launch it, this is how your App Store should look like on your official Hisense App Store. And since you're looking for movie application, just scroll down to the category that says movie and TV series. So yeah, these are movies and TV applications on your video app store that you can install. There are a couple of them. It says here that there are 12. I can install anyone that you want to install. But I believe there are more. If I click on more here, you're going to see more TV or more movie applications over here. So there are a couple of them. You see, there are lots of them. I can install anyone that you want. Let's say, for instance, you want to install this one, for instance. Just click on it once, and then there's going to be an install button, which you just click install, and the application will be installed straight away to your Hisense smart TV. It is that easy. So all of these are movie applications you can install to your Hisense smart TV and start exploring anyone that you want. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this.